Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel here. So today, this section here, I would like to share with you three energy stocks that probably is worth to pay attention to. And of course, by the time I'm doing this video, KLSE market actually is a bit weak and slow. But again, this is a good time for you to continue to monitor. Is there any other stocks that come with sound strength? Now, sound strength normally happens when the market's having a down bar, okay, especially like today, and especially it comes with low volume. So this is the areas that we want to continue to focus. What is the stock that come with a strong background, low volume, and it come with plenty of sound strength. Now, this section here, like I said, I will focus on three energy sectors counters. Okay, so again, by looking into the overall sectors momentum right now, currently there are four sectors currently still having uh, Green Pentagon. So we got consumer, but again, consumer looks like making some pullback at the moment. KLSE Energy having a good momentum with up around like 8.5% for 32 days. Okay, again, be careful on potential pullbacks coming in. Plantation looks like still moving like a sideway, holding around the Green Pentagon areas, and the other one is REITs. Okay, so like I said, it's okay. Energy here making a good movement. Okay, but do expect a healthy pullbacks coming in. Okay, so this is a time that we want to maybe pay attention. Is there any good stocks? Okay, they're worth to monitor. Okay, parts of HENGYUAN and PETRONM, which is they are breaking very high right now. So now, first of all, we got Charmin right over here. So Charmin actually turns to Green Pentagon. This is back to 24th of March, and not only the Green Pentagons here, but it also come with no supply. Okay, and a signal. Now, for those that who don't know, Green Pentagon is actually is sign of your potential bullish signals coming in. Okay, so again, but we want to check the background. Is there any good sound string or not? So NS, which means that there's no seller. Okay, so no supply. So which means whenever you see NS, they will have a very good strong support. Okay, so again, from there's a quick calculation from here from Green Pentagon to the current price right now. You notice that the price actually gone up around like 11%. Okay, so for those that are looking for slightly mid to long term, you can always check using your weekly chart, so you can trade along or invest along with the Green Pentagon. So for example, here to here, at least you get around like 30%. From here to here, you get around like 41%. Okay, so at the moment, the Green Pentagon haven't turned yet, so probably want to focus on short terms by using the daily chart and maybe the hourly chart. Okay, now hourly wise, okay, looks like we got an uptrust. Okay, this is on the closing of today candle. Volume is pretty high, so I think immediately there will be a great resistance coming in. So yep, if you look into here, previously there's one sell bar. Looks like this is the area of resistance. Okay, so again, using uptrust as resistance, we want to check what is the good area to avoid for entry. Okay, in order to avoid for the pullbacks. But I think overall they will still make a pretty healthy pullback. So normally what I do is that I will wait for another green parent bars coming in. Okay, in hourly chart for them to show there is a momentum with a pullback. Okay, so there's first one for Charmin. Overall, wise, by looking to daily chart currently, looks like they are making a good reversal, but just that maybe a temporary pullbacks is expected. Okay, at this moment. So let's look in the second one. We got high biscuits. Okay, so this one break up higher, okay, past the resistance. Okay, again, we want to check using the weekly chart. So weekly chart, Green Pentagon's return, this is on January until now, it's already 60%. Okay, so again, but I think this is a healthy pullback for me, so that's why I don't have like lots of things to worry. Okay, because normally a good trend needs to have a good pullback. Okay, so again, by using the daily chart, the Green Pentagon actually turns last week. Okay, currently it's already up around like 9 to 10%. Okay, so if you want to do short terms, I think it's still okay to do so. Okay, because weekly chart Green Pentagon, daily chart is still in Green Pentagon, even though yes, it already moved up 60%. Okay, but in between there is a healthy good pullbacks. Okay, now again, same things here. This morning here we got uptrust high volume. All right, so hopefully we will see another good pullbacks coming in the short term time frame. Okay, now last one before we close is Delium. Okay, let's do the Delium. Also, the chart is a bit similar like Hibiscus. Again, if you look into the weekly charts right now. So from the bullish signals to the top, around 43% already. Okay, in a span of can I recall this is 140 over bars. Okay, so okay, now daily chart wise, okay, we just completed this pullback. Okay, notice here pullback, Green Pentagon, and the price break up higher. So if you put the pullback areas here, currently it's around like 7 to 8%. Okay, so again, I think short term wise is pretty okay, still going up. Today is around like 2%. If you look into the hourly chart, okay, now this one is much more better because if you look into the hourly chart, it doesn't come with ultra high volume, unlike Charmin and Hibiscus. Okay, so it looks like a nice pullback with Green Pentagon just turns on the closing of Friday. Okay, so this is the things that normally I would like to see and do. For example, if I want to trade China hibiscus because they come at ultra high volume, they have a resistance might make a pullback. So I will wait for this formation for me to trade on short term. Okay, so that I can enjoy a quick trades from here. Okay, so again, this video here is for educational purpose only by using volume spread analysis and trade VSA. So if you want to look for an entry for these three counters, make sure you got your own trading plan. I definitely have mine. Okay, so please, there's no buy or sell call over here, right? So for members, there are a few things again you can do. If let's say you're not sure what is the right entry area for you to look for, you always can check out the VSA 360 to look for where is the good support and resistance. Okay, so for example, this is support one. Okay, this is the R1 and R2. Okay, or maybe you can use your ATL stop loss. Okay, now for example, if let's say your ATL stop loss is too far away, okay, because the stock is trending, like for example, this is 12%. I think you always can try to look for pullback area for entry. Okay, normally I will go for 8%. Okay, from ATL stop loss. Okay, so R1, R2 actually is for you to measure what is the next resistance so that at least you can get 1/2 risk reward. Okay, so with this, thank you for watching this video. If you think that our video here has helped you to learn more about one spread analysis, appreciate if you can subscribe to this channel and click the like buttons for us. Okay, thank you.